children, bring out the drum and bring the family. Join me for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival 2014. This year thing that's going on August 1st through the 3rd. We going to have reunion, reconstruction, and revival in Charleston, Georgetown, and Myrtle Beach, South Kakalaki, right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Culminating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week upon the coast of South Kakalaki. The children have to come on and join me as we launch this thing with the Charleston River Dogs at the Joe for Gullah Geechee Nation night, August the 1st with fireworks. Then Saturday, August the 2nd, the Gullah Geechee Reunion Day at the Charleston Maritime Center from noon to 7. Come Yeti. The recording artist, Latrice Bush, come to see the artwork of Sandra Renee Smith. See the show film, Wilmington on Fire, and Yeti, the music of Anthony McKnight, and plenty of the Gullah Geechees and things like that. Come out for get your arts, your craft, your traditional items, and some healing with the family at Gullah Geechee Reunion Day. Then, Sunday, August the 3rd, travel up the coast with me to Georgetown and Myrtle Beach for Gullah Geechee Family Day. Yeah, it's going to be a shouting time, children. So you have to date it August 1st through the 3rd as we the gwine on with this your fest this year. If one want to go, gwine to gullahgeechee.info. If one want to go, gwine to gullahgeechee.info. Or call me 843-838-1171. 843-838-1171. You can email me to gullgeeco@aol.com. gullgeeco@aol.com. Hundred children need to come out and be with the Gullah Geechee who know who he be. Come on out and bring the drum and bring the family. Hundred children, it's going to be a time, and for true, it's going to be a great day right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. See you soon, yeah?